Hello, this is Carlos from Spain. Welcome you to my new channel. I created this channel because I want to help people and empower people and encourage people to make their dream come true, to help them to create the new life they wanted. And I will do so by my own experience. I will share with you all my knowledge, all my journey along this amazing world, which is becoming successful in the digital world. And we will talk about personal growth. We'll talk about products, we will talk about marketing, traffic, conversion, everything regarding this topic of becoming a digital marketer. And I would like also this channel not to be just one direction, just me talking to you all the time and bringing you information, but I want you as well to share with you your worries, your questions, whatever you might consider important for you, and we talk about it. I will record as many videos that we demand and you demand for me to do. And just for you, the first thing you have to do if you want to create a new life is you have to take action. The first action you might take is to subscribe to my new channel, hit the button, the subscribe button, and the bell as well. And what else to tell to you? I would like you to know that if you want to make something big in your life and you want to have something you never had, you will have to do things you never did. So go on, don't hold back and take action. I will share and I will wait for you. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.